Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the reward levels in the FTX wallet where you can get even 1 Bitcoin as a reward. So let's jump into it. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the FTX wallet, then go to the news section. And at the news section on the top of the screen, the top right corner, you will find the settings icon, which is going to open up the news settings. And again, the settings icon is going to be on the bottom left corner. And here, when it opens up the settings menu, you just have to tap on the rewards, which is the second one in this row. And here again, the second is going to be the reward level. As you can see, I've just signed up and I am at level 0 and I will need 500 points to the next level. But we can still see what are the different rewards for each level. So at level 1 with 500 points, you receive 1 random coin from these coins that are listed here. So you will either receive a basic attention coin, the graph, maps, Bonfida, and oxygen. And as you can see, when it goes up, the amount and the value of the coins goes up as well. So at 1000 points, you are going to be at level 2 and you receive 1 random coin from the same category, but multiplied by 2.5. So you receive 2.5 of these coins. At level 3 with 2500 points, you receive 1 random coin from these coins. These are more valuable coins. At level 4, even more valuable coins. At level 5, at 10,000 points, you receive from the same category but 2.5. Level 6, 50,000 points, you will get either a Yearn Finance coin, a Litecoin, an FTX token, or an AV coin. At level 7, it's the same random amount of these coins. At level 8 with 500,000 points, you will receive 1 Ethereum, which is that's valuable. At level 9, you will receive 2.5 Ethereums, which is a lot. And at level 10 with 2.5 million points, you will receive a random amount of Bitcoin, which is kind of crazy because that doesn't really say anything. That could be even less than the level 1, but I'm guessing that it's higher than all of the above. At level 11 with 5 million points, you will receive again a random amount of Bitcoin. We don't know how much is that. And at level 12 with 10,000 points, you will receive 1 Bitcoin. So yeah, that's how you can collect your points and check your levels on the FTX wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.